Lately, I've been making this fire ass fried chicken recipe, Asian style, and this is my first video. Nah, here we go. Some golden mountain soy sauce. You get it from H Mart or anywhere. Good amount. Good amount. Yeah. Damn. Alright, some more. Alright, so then we need some oyster flavor sauce.
Some oysters. Like a good amount.
Good amount. Alright. Next thing is some. Yeah.
Yeah, whatever. Okay, just a little bit.
Yeah, don't need that much.
Just a little bit of that vegetable on that motherfucker.
I'd put like twice as much as I did cooking one. Damn. Some white pepper. No, it's
Good amount.
good amount.
Good amount.
Sugar, about I'd say a tablespoon.
A little bit of sugar.
Alright, put the sugar. Alright, fish sauce. Not too much. A little bit. Alright. Oh my god. Alright. MSG.
Get the MSG in that motherfucker.
Yeah, good amount. Chicken bouillon. No. You know how much. Good amount. Alright, so what's next? Yeah, you gotta mix it up. Mix it up, put it in the fridge for like 30 minutes. At least 30 minutes. Alright, so for the flour, you need some cornstarch. Say a cup of cornstarch, cup of rice flour, teaspoon of baking powder. This is rice flour, you just make up that. And then you actually need some white pepper, garlic pepper, onion powder, and MSG. About a half a teaspoon of all that. Mix it up, And then this is the stuff that you put on, like pan. It's like sugar, MSG, salt, white pepper, a teaspoon of that, and then like the instructions will be in the bottom description. Get you a egg, mix it in there. After take it out the fridge. After you switch bowls, you want to switch bowls and make it as dry as possible. That's your bag of flour. And then you want to put it in there, put it on the chicken, not too much. You want to make it like pancakes consistency. Goddamn. Some Chinese cooking oil I seen on Instacart. So then you want to heat up the oil. I say a good medium high, 7, I guess. Alright, you take it out after like 6 to 7 minutes. You let it sit for like 2 minutes. And then once you do that, put it back in. Here's belly. Alright, back to the frying. Alright, so we take it out after you put it back in, like after like 5-6 minutes. Let's make sure it's good. And then you sprinkle that sauce on it. I mean that, you know, that stuff on it. Sprinkle it and get on. Pretty much done. Yeah, it should be looking like this, something like that. You know, first batch always looks the worst. Real chef knows that. Alright, that's pretty much it. That's how you make stuff. It's pretty good.